Room air conditioner is one of the most power-consuming equipment with a consumption of 3 kilowatt peak. Survey shows that human ignorance about electricity consumption in time is the primary reason behind rising of monthly electric bill. Smartphone enabled in-home display controller IHDC will address this particular issue through updating user about his or her electricity consumption pattern, which finally reduces wastage as well as electricity bill. SMACON, Smart In-Home AC Controller, designed and developed at Embedded System Laboratory of CSIR, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, Durgapur, provide an unique solution towards this direction. It primarily controls users' energy consumption through real-time energy feedback in anywhere and anytime through a smartphone, which leads to control room humidity and temperature more efficiently. Comfort management through IHDC based on context-related data, which helps to precondition the room based on occupancy. This visual energy feedback through a smartphone also creates awareness about energy wastage among the electricity consumers and students.